A family in Stockton is starting the new year off in grief after a loved one died saving another from a house fire. 69-year-old Jose Villalota lost his life inside that home last week, a home that destroyed everything inside.
But the outpour of community support continues. Fox 40's Josie Hart has the story.
The new year starts off differently for everyone, but for this Stockton family, it is quite literally about rebuilding their entire lives from scratch after this deadly house fire. And all of that while grieving the loss of the person that they said once held their entire family together.
Around 1 a.m., my dad heard some noises and said, there's something going on. And my mama said, just go to sleep. The kids are getting some water. Don't worry about it. And by the time he was up, it was just engulfed in flames.
It's the day after New Year and family members return to what's left of their Stockton home.
My dad, this was his pride. This was his, he was proud that he could provide for his family, that he had his home.
Flames of a deadly fire days prior reduced it to just debris and many unanswered questions. Investigators at the scene carefully examined the damage as the cause of the fire remains under investigation. The family believes a heat lamp may have been the cause, but even finding those answers won't bring back the man they lost. 69-year-old Jose Villalota died here on December 27th after family says he rushed back inside the burning home to save others, including his 14-year-old grandson.
He goes back in, he gets him out, and then he never comes out. And my brother and my mom both tried to go in, and the flames and the smoke was so strong that they were thrown back. I'm just lucky that I'm not burying 6 people.
Loved ones describe Jose as the backbone of the family, a protector, provider, a beloved custodian at the Ripon Unified School District, and someone who always put others first.
He never expected anything in return. I'm getting calls from people that I don't know, and they're telling me what a wonderful person he was.
Today, the family members are left homeless with nothing but the clothes on their backs and the heavy grief of losing the man they say once held the family together.
His thing was always, I want to have my own home. I want my own property. I want my own home because I don't want my kids to be without.
The family is faced with an overwhelming reality, having to rebuild while trying to figure out funeral expenses. But community donations are pouring in, and so are the memories of a humble man who meant so much to the people around him.
Everyone has been commenting what a hero he is, and I know I had a special dad. I just didn't know how special, so I'm just proud of him. I'm proud of him, and I want him to continue to look after us.
A GoFundMe link to support the family is posted on our website, fox40.com. For now, reporting in Stockton, covering local news that matters, Josie Hart, Fox 40 News.